Hey friends, so today is September 3rd. Beautiful September day here in North Carolina. And it's a very special day because today is my nephew's wedding day. And of course, today is my very first wedding day where I get to be an officiant for the wedding. So being here, we experience wedding all the time, but this time I get to officiate the wedding. So it's a very special day. So guys, wish me well today, but let me give you just a quick peek of our setup today. It's gonna be a full house. I think we have like 230 people today, so very exciting day. So I'm just gonna turn the camera around and give you a quick peek of our setup for today. So as you can see, this is the door, that grand entrance door. Here is the setup. We've got it half circle, circular setup today. I'll give you a view of this side because normally we're always taking photos of the other side. But this side is just as beautiful as the other side of the property. And these magnolia trees here. So this is also a focal point here. Look at that beautiful magnolia flower. Beautiful. Smells so good in this area here with all the magnolia blooming. I mean, I can smell it right now with just a few blooms. But I'll swing around and this is the setup. A half circle setup for over 200 people. So they got some old, I wouldn't say old, but traditional music going on, because I think the older generation want to party too, so yeah. But here's the setup. And of course, let me give you the view of where I'll be standing today. This will be my first time being up here. Beautiful. And let me just take you inside real quick. This is the grooms, man. They're getting ready. There is the groom. This is his day. But look at such a beautiful day today. So this is the cocktail hour here, and of course, as always, I'm gonna take you inside. We got some fans running this time, so it's nice and cool in here with AC, 2 units of AC blowing at full speed here. Oh, let me get your camera back up. So we've added these fans here now. So this side now they can be nice and cool on this side, but here is the setup for inside. So we've got 230 people today, so a good sized wedding today. Of course, the groom's room here. No one's playing poker today. They're just chilling, relaxing, getting ready. And I will also be doing the MC today along with the DJ. So yeah, fun day. And of course, the wedding party will be coming through the entrance here when we introduce them. So we have people opening the doors for them as they come through here. They'll be here as we open the door, introduce the wedding party. They'll come through here. So let me just close this door. Here's a sweetheart table for the bride and groom. So yeah, so this is the setup for today. I'm excited. We're just a few hours off, a few hours away until the ceremony starts. So I'm probably gonna get my stuff ready. But we're gonna go back out here. Cocktail hour tables here.
Laugh at each other, look at each other, like you.
This crepe myrtle actually just started growing, so we left it here, and within a year, it's like 7 feet now. So pretty soon it'll be just like these other ones here. It is a white crepe myrtle, just like that right there. Still got a few blooms going on, but yeah. I'm here at the fire pit area. Yeah. So we've got the DJ set up out here for the sound for outside. Beautiful. And I'm just gonna take you guys to our bridal wall here. We did get the doors replaced. I don't know if you guys remember, back then we had a shade of black, but now it's an all natural color. This is our bridal wall here, and these vines are growing. This is their first year. So eventually, I want to give it another year or so. We can get these vines wrapping around this door here. Both of these, they are flowering vines here. So it'll be beautiful. And the wedding party will be hiding back here. All right, so that's it. I'm excited. So you guys wish me well. This is my first wedding, officiating a wedding, and it's for my nephew. So I'm excited. I'm happy for them. This is their day, and of course, at their uncle's wedding venue. So this is perfect. I love it. Like I say, I get to experience this every weekend, and this is special for me because now I get to stand up there and officiate this wedding. Get all the beautiful feelings inside again, all over again, every week. So, all right, guys. So, yeah, I will leave you guys at that, and I'll see you guys next time. So, thank you for tuning in, and wish me well, okay? All right. Talk to you later.